guys, you ready? So we're going to press the start button over here. Let's go out. So, I'm going to put the car in sport. Wow, that was spectacular. I've got to say, I do like the dials. So you've got the screen in the middle there, then you've also got the tachometer on the right hand side, then you've got the speedometer also in the analog form, then you've got your fuel there as well as your oil temperature. Then you've got this old screen over here, which is okay, so you power it on by pressing that. Then you get the AMG, then it just loads up. Then you've got this beautiful IWC watch. That's a nice little feature. So I did a video of the newer version of the E63. It was in the States as well, but that came in great. I'll leave the link for that down below. Make sure you guys go check that out. So in terms of the interior shape and design, this one is a lot smaller compared to the generation that comes after. Maybe because that one's got like more of a curvy dashboard, whereas this has got more. What's happening, guys? So I've got the keys for this beautiful, lovely AMG E63. You can see the AMG branding there, as well as the proper AMG branding there as well. So I'm going to put my foot on the brake, then press start. Put the exhaust button straight away. Just going to turn off the aircon. Got the exhaust button on there. There we are. So now we can do the start. Lovely sound. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Well, that was beautiful. That was fantastic. Beautiful, beautiful. What do you guys think?